This is the only video you will ever need to cover resistant gray. If you do this right, watch closely. 4 days. She colored 4 days ago, and look at this. This is what resistant gray actually does to you. 28 years behind this chair, and I promise you, this is not your fault. This is your hair fighting back. Your color is not washing out because the product is bad. Your gray is literally slamming the door on it. Today we are covering this sketchy gray in 10 minutes flat, and the before and after is going to blow your mind. Okay, so here is the tea. Gray hair has a sealed glassy cuticle. Regular color cannot get in at all. It just slides right off like water off glass. Your color never even made it inside. That is why it is gone. So what actually works? 2 things. Ardell Gray Magic, Ardell Fast Color, both going in the bowl. Watch this. Gray Magic cracks that cuticle open so color gets inside and stays. 1 packet only or your hair goes drab. I am not playing about the 1 packet, not 2, not 3, 1. This is where people mess up every single time. Fast Color goes in the same bowl, 1 packet. This cuts your processing time from 45 minutes to 10. Done. Now the formula. Zone 1 is your regrowth. Those roots, that sketchy gray screaming at your scalp right now. Grab a scale. Equal parts 4NN and 4CH. Whatever that weighs, your 20 volume matches it exactly. Color to developer, 1-to-1. Weigh it out. Do not eyeball this ever. Zone 2 and 3, mid-lengths and ends. This is honestly where most women completely wreck their hair. Permanent color on your ends over and over, that is black straw waiting to happen. Stop it right now. Zone 2 and 3 gets 5 WG Demi. 1 shade lighter, 10 volume matches your color weight exactly. Trust me, stylists do not want you to know this, but 5 WG refreshes your ends without destroying them. Zone 1 on the roots first. Section by section. Saturate every single gray strand. Move fast, but stay clean. Once applied, comb through with a wide tooth comb. Smoosh it through with your gloved hands. Clip up with a plastic clip. Never metal. Pull a shower cap over your head. Traps the heat. Helps the color process evenly. Do not skip this step. Timer starts now, 10 minutes after you finish applying. Not during, after. Sit down, let it work. Want me to personally look at your color situation? Drop your hair in the comments right now and I will help. Rinse cool water only. No shampoo yet. Let that cool water seal everything down and lock the color in. Color safe conditioner, 2 minutes. This is what makes your color last weeks instead of days. Do not skip it. And here it is, same woman, same hair, 10 minutes. Look at that rich, dark brown coverage, babe. Look at it. 0 gray. Rich chocolate brown root to end. Moving, shining. She looks like she just left a salon. Honestly, that is gray magic. That is knowing your zones. That is what 28 years behind the chair looks like. That color grabbed, it held. It is not washing out in 2 days. Resistant gray did not win today. We did. Everything linked in the description below. Budget, mid, and pro options. Go get it done right now. Want me to personally look at your specific color situation? Custom consultation link is below and in bio. Let me help you. If this helped even a little hit like right now, more women need to stop letting resistant gray run their entire life. Hair boss at home, 28 years behind the chair. Know your hair, grow your hair, and babe, resistant gray does not get to win anymore. Stop letting it.